ME-191 Computer Applications and Engineering, demonstrating principles learned in class.
Our final project is a game, and the objective of the game is to knock 4 foam blocks into a tube, similar to a hoop, within 1 minute. The game starts when the XY table begins to move. The blocks are knocked and the player presses the right switch, which controls the rotation of a motor. At the end of the game, the IR sensor records the distance in the tube, which is used to determine how many points were earned, based on the number of blocks stacked.
This final project uses 2 MATLAB programs, one to control the XY table and one to control the motor, sensor, and pins, because the motor needs to be responsive at the touch of a switch and the program cannot write and read simultaneously.
The XY table uses a built-in tick and tock MATLAB function to time the game. User-written functions are used to drive the XY table a specific amount of steps. Using the digital output principle learned in class, the XY table moves and pulses with a high signal 1 followed by a low signal 0.
The program controlling this Arduino uses a while loop to keep the motor responsive at the touch of a button. The while loop is terminated when the second switch is pressed. Once the while loop ends, the program communicates with the IR sensor and a new distance is saved. Digital and analog signals are the main principles at practice in this project. The switches convey digital input. One switch controls the DC motor as shown above, and the DC motor uses PWM signal, which allows the motor to have multiple speeds, but for this project only off and max speeds are used. Another principle learned during the course is analog input, which is used by the IR sensor. This is used to calculate height, clearly not ones and zeros.
Once the game is over, press the left switch, which prompts the IR sensor to record a new distance, and MATLAB computes the number of points based on the number of blocks.